Hello everybody, welcome back to Sharon from Vivid Days Art. We're going to be working on a vibrant resin phone stand. There are such warmth in this colour scheme, it's like eye candy. I started out with some gold and I then come through and add black, and I try to replicate the design, but not for it to be perfect, but to look like it is part of a set. The gold and this black is just a stunning combination together. I should have wiped up my little dots there, but I was too focused on pouring, but it didn't destroy the other image when I came through and brought those warmth colours. Now, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for finding me. I just want to say a big sincere thank you to Claire from Claire's Crafty Corner. I recently done a collaboration with her and she sent a few of her wonderful subscribers my way, and I am sincerely grateful, one for her talent, but two for her kind heart. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell so you can see my latest videos. Now, I do have a new channel that I'm just starting, which is journaling, or the art of journaling and decoupage. I'm just really enjoying going down that process myself. So I will post weekly on that channel as well as weekly on this channel. And there will be an up and coming art brushwork channel to help people be brave and have a go at art if you're not that confident. Other than that, I hope that you enjoy this colour scheme. Please let me know what you think to it. This red with that black gold, and I come in with a little bit of amber, and then that gold, little bit of white, just makes it look like the sun is just kissing that phone stand, and it's just aesthetically pleasing to look at. Now, with any molds like this, I tend to overfill, and it does fit together well, but I do have to force it in, and you'll see at the end, but it does come apart and it does come together. I would recommend that if you're not using it, to make sure that you do put it flat, because I have just discovered I left mine erect on my art table, which is in direct sunlight, and I came back and it had warped. Eek. Not to fear though, because it is plastic. I have put it back on that table and I've now stood some weights on it to flatten it again, which I'm sure it will be resurrected. But whenever you're doing molds, they can be quite thin, and that's just the risk. So if you are going to be selling these, just take that into consideration. This is just going to be for my own personal use, and I wanted to give this mold a go and share it with you in this colour scheme. Anyway, let me know your thoughts. I'm going to love you and leave you, because you'll be able to see what this process is about. If you've got any comments, pop them in there. But hopefully I will see you on the next video, and I should be back from the UK early September, and I'm so looking forward to going on an adventure to see a wedding and see family and friends. If you're interested, let me know and I will give you an update on how we're going there. And apologies if you can hear some munching happening. That's my Thor chomping on a ball. I promise you, it is not me. Anyway, I'm going to leave you. It's a short video, but I hope you enjoy the rest of the music that is playing, and sending you hugs, warm wishes, and hopefully creative inspiration wherever you are in the world. I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.